It's like,
I mean, how hard is it to go to the fucking moon, people?
I don't know.
You just launch a fucking rocket.
You would think.
Once you get into one of the hardest parts is getting off the fucking ground.
Well, like I even had the conversation with someone who's a flat earther, and they were saying like, not necessarily a flat earther, but like, you know, giving me all this information on why they think the Earth's flat, and I was like, well, how come no pilot has come out and said it? And then he's like, well, no, there's a couple pilots that have said,
well, the Earth.
there's a reason why this is how this happens. I'm like, okay, but one pilot out of how many people fly planes? I mean, you're talking. There's how many pilots are out there just through the military, private, and commercial? You're
Well,
10,000.
I mean, I could agree with
20,000.
I could agree with the Earth being flat, but like thickness-wise, it's still like probably 20 miles thick. Still, so like my thing is like what I do when I tell people like this is you want me to prove to you that the Earth is flat, and they're like, yeah, and you take a quarter.
Oh, here we go.
Right, that's flat.
Okay.
Right? Do you know this? Have I done this before?
And you spin it?
Yeah. It looks round. They're spinning, right? You can't really, like, you only see one side of the Earth at a time. It looks fucking flat to me when you're fucking out there. I mean, it's round. It's circle, but, you know, there's no depth to it. You know what I'm saying?
Why would all the other planets be round and then this one be flat, though?
They are, like...
And then the other concept would be if that's the case, and if you talk about the ice walls,
I mean,
where's the water go? You know what I mean? The water's going to go somewhere.
If I'm going to agree that the Earth is flat, I'm going to argue that what the fuck planets are you talking about?
Fair point. Fair point. Fair point. Which leads me all the way back to the moon stuff, and you know, are we actually going to said outer space? Like I believe we've been to outer space, but
I look at it like, you know, if what circumference is an atom, or like what shape is an atom?
Right.
Round, circle, a sphere, because it's being compressed. Everything that's compressed, I guess, like, you know, if you took a basketball versus a fucking square object and you compress it, the basketball should last longer than said square object, right? Maybe not. I don't know. But then again, maybe nothing's like what's compressing stuff in space? Nothing. So it should be expanding, right? So I guess only reason, like, what makes us not expand all the time?